What's going on, y'all? It's your guy, Apparel. Today I'm in here with some circle hoodies. We're going to press them up, see how they feel. I'm using some Walakut Express to put on them. Doing some prototypes for my little brother's clothing brand that he's trying to introduce right now. Shout out to Mike T's, man, for the Grizzly Fit tee. Man, y'all hit up Mike T's on IG. Get y'all custom Grizzly Fits. Shout out to the squad, you dig lifestyle, all things style. Again, my guy Mike T's, man. Come join the Facebook group. We're going to get into this video, press up these circle hoodies, see how they feel. See Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. I'll see y'all in a second.
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cried.
Alright, so I got a box of these circle hoodies, man. We're going to check these out, man. Stan Banks recommended these, man. They've been booming like everybody on them. So I had to see what the hype was about. Circles. Got 10 of them. 30 mask. Circle hoodies. They were $1.19 a piece. Kind of thick, one layer. But they got a little weight to them, I guess. But we're not pressing those. I was just showing you that I had them. We're going to be pressing a couple of these hoodies. So I'm going to pick out the sizes I'm about to press for this video. And I'll meet y'all at the heat press. So I'm going to just get us a pre-press right quick. I like the strings. I like the metal loops around them. They got good weight. Nice hoodie, $11.99. And then I think that the 3X's were, this is a size 2X right here. I think the 2X and the 3X was $13.99. Good price, good feeling hoodie. Shout out Stan Banks, man, for the recommendation. Let's get a little pre-press. Alright, so the story behind these hoodies is my little brother is incarcerated. And he came up with a logo and wanted to start his own brand. So I'm helping him get that started. So we invested in these. I told him about Circle. We invested in these hoodies, these Circle hoodies. And that's how we gonna do this thing. Start the year out right. And I'm using Walakut Express. Presses from 250 degrees to 302 for 5 seconds. Oh, speaking of that, let me change my timer because I forgot. It's a 5-second press. I had it set for 15 and I sure would have forgot. So, just want to make sure this is straight. We're going to grab a little ruler. There we go. Medium to firm pressure, 5 seconds. For the life now, remember it's a hot or warm, so I'm gonna just cool it off a little bit. Peel that thing back. missed a piece. I didn't look at my carrier. There's a little piece on there. Right there, if you can see that. But I'll just use VLR to remove that. I'm just pressing a couple hoodies in this video just to show you. We started out with 10, so this is a get the proof of concept. You know, see how people feel with these 10 and go from there. This one is a size large. I am not affiliate of Circle Clothing, but it was a suggestion that Stan Banks suggested them to the community. So, like, I've only heard good things about them, so I had to try them out for myself for this. Same color. I got a few of them. Doing some white ones. White. I'm doing a blue one with white. A few others, but I just wanted to press these real quick. Just want to place it. Get the ruler again. No intruders this time. But if you're trying to start a brand and want hoodies, Circle Clothing is a good option for you, man. They decent price hoodies. Get you some of this Walakut Express, man. There's a link in the description for the Heat Transfer Warehouse affiliate link, man. Y'all help out the channel. Just order a few rolls of this. Check that out. Go see Circle Hoodies. I do know that if you use TSH10, you can get a 10% discount off of Circle. So that's a Stan Banks link. Man, support him. Put that TSH10. Save yourself a little bucks. But like, honestly, I wouldn't use that 10%. Like, if you're just getting a few, I just say that because it's a one-time thing, I believe. What I would do is wait till you're getting a bunch of them and save a big boatload. You know what I'm talking about? But there it is there. But like I say, man, these is nice, soft, fairly thick, nice heavyweight. Even looking at the colors, good color. But we gonna see how this thing go. Hoodies double thick. Like I said, I like the strings. I like the eyes on them, the metal eyes. I like that. But
Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself and the tears